In this video, I'll show you how to remove a data source from Google Looker Studio so you can clean up your report and keep your workspace organized. Removing a data source only affects the current report and does not delete the connection from other reports. To begin, open the report where the data source is connected. At the top menu, click Resource and then select Manage Added Data Sources to view all the sources linked to that report. You'll see a list of data sources along with their names, so take a moment to identify the correct one you want to remove, especially if you have multiple similar connections. Once you've found it, click the Remove option next to that data source to detach it from the report. Keep in mind that any charts or tables using that data source may stop working until they are connected to another source. It's generally recommended to review dependencies before removing anything important. You can always add the data source again later if needed. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.